Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to be talking about one of your favorite big them, Usain. FSC dropped the case against him. Drop it in the pit toilet. And if you ever use a pit toilet, you know anything will drop in there, gone. Unless you want to chuck in the head on, right, with the goggles and fight to the roach them. But that gone. Every time I talk about something, people who are allegedly the best and the brightest minds often, you don't know that. You need to trust the process, not because this and this. You're just saying that to rile up. I'm not saying to rile up nothing. And then when time it turns out, so I start really go, I see them back. That's what always perplexes me. I have no problem with them linking me because them basically are content. When them say silly things to me, we turn it into content. Can I say it back to them and say, yo, people that said this, I'm just counter it. But why didn't I come back? When time I tell them, say, you crash crew, you think something will come out of this? Man, I tell them, Usain Bolt is the poster boy for Jamaica. It can't happen to him. I don't care how much money and connections SSL founders and Hugh Crosby are. That's Usain Bolt. So what? Everybody knows say Usain Bolt a general. For people like me and you. The normal man in the street. But to people like Hugh Crosby, or Iron Man set up, he's not even a corporal. Much as a general. They won't even attempt to run them joke with him. You don't take him serious. If Jamaican big wigs, if Jamaican elites, they take Usain Bolt serious, they won't even run them joke. Them they rob everybody in the SSL except him. And I him get the biggest rob. Tell him to sometime laugh and run and skin too much joke. If I see that ad there, internet ad there where them make you them have the ad with Usain Bolt in the dress there, the woman dress, headband tie around head, I know say it's downhill from here on out. That show me to them to take the man serious. Now they don't, people do them thing they too now and they say, you can't take a joke. But run joke with your mother and your father and you pity them. They run and joke with me. Run joke with your friend in on the corner. Run joke with your pastor and whoever you see them in pan, they run and joke with me. Because they don't understand the power of symbolism. Right. Symbolism has its weaknesses when it comes down to certain things, but when it comes down to imagery, right, symbolism is powerful. When you take the greatest sprinter the world has ever seen, when you take Jamaica as the golden boy, when you take this big strong black man, 6'5", 6'6", and reduce him to a man now and dress now and add, you take with all him strength. When I tell them things, they say, you're exaggerating, you blow up, you can't take a little joke. Why them not gonna run them joke there? Michael Phelps. He's the swimming equivalent to Bolt. Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, that's who Bolt equivalent to. No. When you see those men, they look masculine. They look like those people want the men who look like them to look like the real deal. When it comes down to your soul, you see them throw on them put him in a baby farm and then put him in a one dress. And I say, you can't look a joke. They don't take Bolt serious. Some of them man feel some I try, Yeah, this and none of this nothing. I'm not too emotional, none of this. I'm just stating the obvious. To me, Usain Bolt a general. To you, Usain Bolt a general. To Hugh Crosby and them man, the Usain Bolt is a constable. Because he must be a constable before them do to him. I think I do that to him, imagine the rest of people in the SSL. They're even smaller fries. You thought FSC was going to bring Hugh Crosby in line? Link me for your Christmas special unicorn. Who not tired of getting? Right. Proven wrong now. Where are the trusted process people? Which process? And the people who engineer the process and oversee the process. I will get reprimanded by the process? Silly people. People who thought that Hugh Crosby would have come on anything for one so are the same people who think say the quote unquote chief was some kind of bush warrior who was digging in the bush, right? And now he's launching to fight against the corporations for the chief Curry brother there. Remember him? Remember the on that wave there? Mainstream media find platform and push him, say something can't write us. So turns out, right, I pop it last time I didn't see him. Right, well squeezed upside that sprat. I ask the question, who's pushing him? It can't be organic. I'm digging in the bush. Them same people think there's something that come out of Hugh Crosby case. I dash the man, him dash it. Iron Man struggle for get case against 87. Iron Man investigators struggle for build case against 87, even when they have the witness of all witnesses on their side. Them lose. The majority of the man them start off with 16 and only convict 15. Then can't get it on 87. You think them not gonna get nothing out, man? Hugh Crosby. I laugh, the man I laugh right now. Anyway, I'm there. I pull a bottle of wine and I laugh and I skin teeth. Look at these silly people. Yeah. Him and him friend, him and him lawyer laugh. I tell them, say, the whole thing reeks of filth from morning. One of the greatest scam we ever see. And the man him a try convince me, say, a Jean and Pantan pull it off herself. A Jean and Pantan and a Jean and Pantan. Nonsense. She's a patsy. 15 and we go do something and realize that that's the person that says the weakest link. Show him on my boss. Next 14 get me. You know how much papers have to sign, how much things I forget overlook, how much them people there will watch over the money like eagle. Watch over its target. I will tell you say they miss billions of dollars coming out. SSL and them no notice. The greatest sprinter we've ever seen. Faster than everything else on the track. But in the real world, him slower than Hugh Crosby. Look on Hugh Crosby good. Him can run 10 meters on a drop down. If Hugh Crosby run 10 meters, me tell you right now, him drop down. Right? Him look for them pop. Hugh Crosby can do 5 push-up and he hand no broke. Right? Usain Bolt is a machine compared, right, to Hugh Crosby physically. But in the real world, right, off the tracks, a Hugh Crosby are the world-class sprinter. And you see a Humpty Dumpty. Them tell us, say, if you just don't stir up too much trouble, cause like what them say me a troublemaker. So now, you disrespect, but when I see Usain Bolt disrespect nobody, Usain Bolt is one of the least political. I'm saying political, I mean PNP and JLP mean people get themselves, you always have, for example, like a Muhammad Ali who was very active in certain spaces and talking about certain issues. Usain Bolt not depend on them thing there. Usain Bolt a party man and fun man and he just want to do fun and vibes. You never see Usain come talk, come burn out nobody for this and burn out nobody for that and take on this and take on that and controversy. The man that deal with controversy and them still rob him blind. If you have your earnings snatched away from you in a broad daylight, you can't do nothing. No. Of course, man, I'm gonna tell you. Say, them man, they still have them dirty money. Yes, simpleton, I know Usain Bolt not broke. Usain Bolt can't broke. I'm gonna say, them man, they have 10 times more money than you. Wrong, and not 10 times more, like 10,000 times. But this is not about money. It's about the principle. Of all the Jamaicans that's ever walked on the earth, Usain Bolt is one of the most impactful, most internationally recognized living legend. And a man who look like the Pillsbury Doughboy and him friend them, I get to a scratch free after them organization. Fragment the line. The man tell us the leaders them now nothing to do with it. Which is accurate hard and push out in chest. Notice how them big are moving up. When the time to collect, when the company do good then push out them chest, it's all because of my brilliance why the company is doing well. Give me all the credit. When the company turn out to be a rotting criminal organization just up in a pretty clothes and pretty building. Then them say, I didn't know what was going on. I didn't even know Usain Bolt was a client. Ironman people would never make somebody who look like Shabarangs get away with such a ridiculous line. You know? The man said never even know Usain Bolt was a client, and the Ironman people sit down there and I say, maybe you never know, Silk, I never know. Foolish people. Deserve everything when they get, man. That's the pro of being somebody like a Zachary Harding or a Hugh Crosby. You get the benefit of the doubt. From me see what team you see in a move. I tell the man them about them have 10 days to give back. You saying that now go work man them people here man yo, they make a lie them tell you that. All the money you see tell pan lie, all them could do was tell man boy you have 10 days. Who you think you not talk to? That I want to tell people like me. You can't tell Big Wig that. Them man they laugh off of that. Them man they already had contingency plans for what happen if they even get catch and find out say money a thief. The Iron Man golden boy. Only can send one little letter say you and notice how tame the response has been. Again, if a somebody will look like Shabarangs, the thief is saying money, you know, anyway, he must find it back, you know, as someone that talk. The tone would be different, you know. Money that talk, wicked. Yo, make sure I said the general. Yo, make sure. None of that now make to you Crosby. None of that now make to Zachary Harding. Because I don't know the place when I talk to certain people. All of a sudden, man, trust the process. Let's wait until the... You ever see Iron Man people wait till court case done to fix the issue yet? You ever see... When I say you're a Jamaican, I've issued a Jamaican, I say, well, I'm waiting to hear what the legislators and the investigators and the final reports that they'll come to a conclusion. Man, on the tone down the thing, can I talk to them, man? If a certain man, the tone different, they can thief $1 billion from the Iron Man, right? A man so cool. Don't we really know we're friends? Everybody's so patient. Let's wait on the FSC to see what's going on. Wait on FSC. Who know wait on FSC? Went into the business by FSC. The people on FSC can't get you Crosby and him friend them. No chat. People on FSC, them bodies they like FSC. Them where them put in as checks and balance and these are supposed to be oversight and overseers. May I tell you right now, you only can't meet that. Them not run the plantation. Them only work on it. Some don't know how them figure bring talk to the man them we're in the house. Them are those head cook and chief back washer. Them not have no talk to people like you Crosby. No talk at all. You see, if they were really smart and they want to ease the pressure, after them say what them do is what them not doing is get like a little Mickey Mouse charge and like get it point and then milk it and say, see it, the process work. That's what Uncle Sam da do, you know. So what Uncle Sam do? When Uncle Sam big with them in trouble, what them do, you know? What them do, them get like a Mickey Mouse charge, then they give them the real charge and forget it. Then give them a Mickey Mouse charge and then them say, see it, we got him on this. This shows that the system works. You know, Iron Man don't even bother that. They just fling everything. Every time I say, yo, this can't go say no, man. That person is the head of this and he's investigating. That person have no talk on the plantation. He work on that. Just like the rest of us. No found those things say, man. You know above the man at the farm. Man. Why the rent I am? Because in the walk nice and talk nicer than him, someone who want to get a rude awakening one day. The found things because in the drive a Benz or a Beamer. Right, only better than the man that push the hand card, only go and get a rude awakening one day. When you realize say that can get taken easy, man. Strip down to nothing. And when you run to the FSC and run to this and that and the PTT and the GTT and the CCC, it was always a snowball chance in hell, as the Billy Joe them in there say. There's something that come out of this case dash way. FSC investigate. Investigate Gina and Panther. Investigate little YouTubers. Them say man thief because they're not on a job. Say people my thief, Usain Bolt not on a job. People my rob FSC without a gun, them not on a job. Them say man murder kind of opportunity. And them politician friend with much status and much links and say nah shot wife. And I put back on a sheet and I cover up already. It's not adding up. When time the madness first go down, the first thing them do was to fired the top man at FSC and make it look like say them a show up. Once again, who them turn them swords pan? Smaddy on the plantation. The modern plantation, they wanna have no shackle, they wanna have no whip. Right? They wanna have no cotton field. But you best believe it set up the same way. Oh, we fired the. Every head a roll except the head them must roll. But I have to tell them, it's not by chance. People who are mediocre in them homeland drop a Iron Man and in 5-10 years are being hailed as modern day geniuses. And nobody in our home country no see him as no genius. But my genius are Iron Man. We have to call a speed a speed. Only better take what happened to Usain Bolt and use it as a life lesson. The little Benz and the beam where you drive is nothing in comparison to what Usain Bolt have and achieve, and then do that him. So who the hell are you? Have you lost your mother sex in mind? You thought you Crosby? And them man they go face no real consequences, nothing at all. Big lawyer pull up, case dash for innocent, left my client name. Or else you get cease and desist. Boy, it's sticky in a Iron Man. Might have to change your name to Glue. People lost their mother sex in mind. If you expected nothing but this, case dash way. Regular scammer. Regular 87 I run laps around them in a court. I run laps around them day to day. Can't get nothing from them, can't convict. And you thought something's gonna come out of this? Christmas special. Buy 2 unicorns, get 1 free. Ultra Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, see you circling. Bless.